Hello, this is Samuel from Zhuzhou Depai Cement Carbide Limited Company. We are the manufacturer of turning inserts, milling inserts, grooving inserts, threading inserts, and U-drills, and also other mills and other cutting tools. Today we talk about our turning insert for positive. Okay, please look at these boxes. It's our DCMT 11T308. This one is our VBMT 110304 GM chip brick. This one is our TCMT 110204. This is our DCMT 11T308. This is our CCMT 09T308. This is our VCMT 160404 GM chip brick. This is our VBMT 160408 MT chip brick. This is our VCMT 160408 GM chip brick. Okay, we have all ISO standard positive turning inserts and also selective turning inserts. Welcome to inquiry. Thank you.